This video, I will show you how to create an SEO content that actually converts. Now, we have got this one simple page, right? So we have call to action at the end, which is a leave a comment, and then we have got here, there is no good call to action. I mean, there is a call to action which is added in a conclusion, which is consult your vet. If I click on it, it's just an extra. So how to automate this? Now, if you go into the overview, so I'm using overview. Now, if I go into the overviews and let me just go into my generations or inputs. And before generating an article, I have something called input. And here, go into the structure, it will ask me call to action, which is asking my website. Now, the call to action will be in the key takeaways at the beginning. I don't want in there. In FAQs, I don't want here. I only want in a conclusion. So we can also add in an FAQ. So if I want the call to action in FAQ, I can also add it too, because if the FAQs ranks in a Google's first page, then I want the call to action to be in it. Mostly it is recommended not to put in FAQs because we want people to take action, come into the website. So yeah, if you click on generate article, then it will generate, and that's how you add better conversions from your SEO content.